Good morning, students. Hope you and your family are fit and fine in this time period due to COVID-19. So, students, well, this side Ajay Bala from Humanities Department. Humanities play very important role in our life, dear students. Humanities means you guys have abundance to do in your career. Sky is the limit. You heard this phrase. Today era, maximum number of students show their keen interest in it because of so many choices after plus 2. Likewise, civil services, lawyer, teacher, philosopher, you can do even PhD and many more fields you can do after your plus 2. You can join it. In our academy, we have 5 subjects in this stream. English, which is mandatory, political science, which is also mandatory subject, geography, that is also mandatory. So these 3 subjects are mandatory in our academy. After this, we have elective subjects with 3 options: psychology, EPS and economics. You can choose any one according to your aptitude. Even you can see the videos also by your masters in this stream, and you can take their help also if you are confusing regarding it. Then optional subjects, we have many options like IP related to computers, physical education, sports field, painting, fine arts, music, Punjabi. Similarly, you can choose any one subject as an option from it. Well guys, political science. My main subject is political science under humanities. So I give you brief description regarding politics. Politicals play a very important role in day-to-day life. It refers to study of state and government. Basically, it is the study of our state and government work, laws, maintenance of fund, and so many things like fundamental rights, constitution, preamble, fundamental duties, directive principles, how day-to-day life activities involved in it. It's an active subject, means it has deep impact on our lives. We know about current political parties, their rules, functions in our life during this COVID-19. How it together all of us means no opposition parties oppose PM, ruling party, BJP, policies, programs. Because it's the need of the hour to be safe ourselves, safe India. Now, well guys, I just give you a brief description regarding the curriculum of political science. From this 2020-21, we have new syllabus of political science. Earlier it was 10 chapters, both the books. We have NCERT 2 books in plus 1 class. Part A, Indian Constitution at Work. Part B, Political Theory. Earlier it comprised only 10 chapters, total 20. Now number of chapters are 16. First, part A, we have 7 chapters like Constitution, Election and Representation, the Legislature, the Executive, the Judiciary, Federalism, Local Governments. Then we have Political Theory. It consists 9 chapters. The name of the book is Political Theory, Part B, and then the chapter name Political Theory and Introduction Part, Liberty, Equality, Justice, Rights, Citizenship, Nationalism, Secularism, Development. So you know that Part B totally related with your fundamental rights mentioned in the Constitution. Basically, political science is you can see that you already have studied this political science in your previous classes from 6th to 10th onwards. Plus 1 in detail we have to be discussed about civics, political science related with politics and country. Then we have importance of politics in India. To run the country, we need it more efficiently, because we know that we have a democratic type of government. To manage the country with proper rules and norms, which we have already Constitution, fundamental rights, fundamental duties we have. To overall development of the citizens, To look in the internal affairs about the development of the country means if the country develops, it means automatically the citizens of the country develop. The standard of the living of the people already improved and how they develop. To represent the country to the outside world means globally, it has globally effect also. To represent the country to the outside world, to issue different policies for the country. So we can say that studying political science has a very deep influence in our daily life, and it is a current subject with so many importance. So here we can also say it's related with current public issues, environment, pollution, illiteracy, poverty, unemployment. Here you can see that it's a active subject, means the direct involvement of people participation. And very you can see that today during this COVID-19, it's a current issue how super powerful countries like US, USSR, many more fail to overcome from this problem and take India's policies and programs, how India and Indian's ruling party try to overcome from this disease. So many strategies they learn from India and apply in their own country, because India is number one position globally at this time period, at this who fights with this COVID-19. To fight with COVID-19, data is quite less as compared to other countries like US, USSR, Italy, Argentina, so many more. Here you can see that political already is related with the political parties also. So a political party is an organization, group of people who have the same ideology or who otherwise have the same positions, who field candidates for elections in an attempt to get them elected and thereby implement the party's agenda. About universal adult franchise, it's a very key important feature in it. Here you can see the symbols of the parties like BJP, Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party, Aam Aadmi Party, many more. So well guys, it's just an introductory part regarding political science, why you should study political science. Political science already I clear you active and current subject which already have value in our country, not in our country, worldwide, because it's related with government. And after this I will describe you a detail about the curriculum and clear about each and everything, because you from the content you get to know that in political science you have 16 chapters and the paper theory of 80 marks, 20 marks we have practical work. So 10 marks of the project file and 10 marks of the viva. So that already I have already discussed with you a brief description. After this we send you one more video regarding the curriculum chapter 1 through your online teaching. Now the thing is that you can go through this video and you can learn the importance of political science under humanities. Clear? So well, I wind up with this only. Be safe at your home, take care of your health. Thank you so much. Bless you.